Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your B7C to Sidus. First, you will need to download the free Sidus Link app onto your phone or tablet. Once installed, open the app and either register for a new account or log in with your existing details. Before proceeding, make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth is enabled. Finally, power on your Aputure B7C light bulb, preparing it for connection. Now let's pair your B7C. Inside the Sidus Link app, navigate to the lighting control system and create a new scene by tapping the plus icon. Next, tap the green plus icon to add a new fixture. To make your B7C discoverable, simultaneously long press its power button and either the plus or minus button for 5 seconds until it pulses red, green, then blue. The app should then find your light, select it and tap Set Up. Once connected, you gain full control over your B7C. You can precisely adjust its brightness from 0 to 100%. Easily change the color temperature across a wide range, from a warm 2000 Kelvin to a cool 10,000 Kelvin. Explore the HSI color tuning options and experiment with 9 unique built-in lighting effects like paparazzi or fire. You can also save your customized settings as presets for future use. The Sidus Link app offers advanced features for your B7C. Dive into the magic program to create intricate, timed lighting sequences for dynamic effects. The app also provides real-time battery monitoring, showing you how much power remains. A B7C can run for approximately 70 minutes at 100% intensity. It even indicates whether your bulb is on AC or internal battery power. If you encounter connection issues, simply ensure your device's Bluetooth is active and perform a Bluetooth reset on the bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.